Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Mouser from the new Super Mario Bros. Galaxy movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mouser from the Super Mario Galaxy movie, let's begin with the nose. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make an oval shape for the nose on Mouser. Next, let's work on the glasses. So let's begin right here, and we're going to make a line that's just going to come up, and then we're going to bring this down right towards the nose. Let's do that same thing over here. We're just going to come up, and then let's bring this down and up towards the nose. We're going to repeat that same shape right inside of there. So I like to kind of start with two lines at the top, and then just a line that connects right at the bottom. For the mouth, let's make a smiley face shape. I like to put a little line at the end of each one. Let's go ahead and make a taller smiley face shape for the bottom. We'll put a few small bumps in here for teeth and a couple at the bottom. That'll make a curved line for the tongue. Let's draw a little line here and another little line right here, just to kind of shape out his nose a tiny bit. Now, right between the glasses, let's go ahead and make a little bit of a bumpy line that kind of comes up and down for the head. Underneath the mouth, we'll do a little curved line. Then right out here, let's make a line that's just going to kind of come down and leave some space. And then same thing here, kind of come out and down and then leave some space. Next, for the ears, let's go ahead and make a nice big circle shape right around here for an ear. And then we'll do that same thing over here. Nice big circle shape. We'll do another one inside. And let's do another one inside right over here. Now, for his arms, let's begin right here. Let's kind of go down and bring this line over. Then we're just going to make 1, 2, and then 3 bumps. We'll make a little line on top for the thumb. Then let's curve this line down and make a second curve right here for his hand. We'll make these lines come out a little bit more. And then let's go ahead and make a few bumps for the knuckles. Make a small line here. And a little line right there. Now I'm going to curve this line down for the body. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm just going to curve a line that goes down and in for this part of the body. Over here, we're going to go down and bring this out. Now, I'll make a little bump here. And then I'm going to bring this line out. And what I'll do is I'll kind of curve this around a little bit for one of his fingers. I'll make another one come up here. Then I'm going to make a circle shape right around here. And we'll do a final little bump there. We'll bring this line down with a second line. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down for his little bomb that he carries. Right here, I'm going to curve this line up and down here for the foot. Bring this line over. Then we're going to bring this line down and connect. We'll bring this line over to here for the bottom, and then just make a line across. We'll kind of curve this over. We're going to connect this here. Then this one we're going to come down, bring it over, and then we're just going to make this kind of come up and down. We'll bring this up, and then we'll just draw the bottom of the shoe here. For his tail, let's bring this line out. We're going to curve this around and down. Let's make it nice and skinny at the end, and we'll get this a little bit fatter as it comes back. Let's go ahead and draw some little lines on here for details on his tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mouser from the new Super Mario Bros. Galaxy movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.